Good afternoon now. Good afternoon, everybody. Chief Meteorologist Caleb Beesing here at the KB Weather Studio here. We got a lot of things to talk about over the next few days here throughout the week. And of course, this is just a prediction. This can all change very quickly with our weather here in Nebraska. So let's go ahead and hop right into that. And we'll see you at the radar. So to start, we do see some rain showers moving through the areas here, through some of those counties that you see on your screen here. Some of those also outside of your screen overscan right there. Just moving over there. And you can see that does repeat for you if you want to see that in detail. So we do see some spotty showers as well later in the day. Let's go ahead and move on to our temperatures at the moment. All across for regional. And you can see that it is in the 50s right now, and then it will be getting down closer to the light blues and dark blues. So that also means that we will be getting a lot colder tonight as well. That repeating again for you, that is not a multi-day outlook, that is just repeating. Now let's switch over to the graphs really quick. So, for our starting image, we do have the day one image here. Really quickly for our graph. As you can see, we do have a trough going through the mid part of Nebraska, kind of in between. But we also have a kind of an upper level low up there as well. And a lot of ridges, and that's going to play a part in the ongoing events that we will see. So, those will be shown in the graphs here. So what we're going to expect is we're going to expect slowly, we're going to see areas kind of like this in the future where it's going to be cold on the west side and kind of warmer in the east. And for day one, it's probably going to be kind of warmish around the Midwest too as we go into day two. Let's go ahead and check that out. See, now on day two, you can notice these two blue highlighted spots. These indicate snowfall up there is possible. And then you can also see that we also have a cold front, a hot front, and some troughs all over here in the west and the Midwest here. What that means for us is we're going to be warming up just a bit throughout the beginning of the work week. And we are slowly going to cool down from the work week as we get some of that snowfall from the warm front moving further. We're going to see more snowfall in the west and Midwest and more fall heat waves in the east for a bit. And that's what we're going to see here in the Midwest for a bit. It's going to be like a fall heat wave. We're going to see temperatures in the first half of the work week being up in the 50s and 60s, maybe even 70s up there. And then around the third day, you can tell those differences. We start to get the cold atmosphere into it and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and check out day three, and we'll return to this in a later subject. So now we're looking at day three, and you can notice that the heat wave is still here. We still have this little squiggly little heat trough here. That is going to play a role in the fall heat wave here. Now, out of no means will this be something like getting temperatures up in the 90s. No, not even close to that. But 70s, 80s here on this map. So that covers most of our bases here for the fall heat wave, and then we will be seeing kind of the more wintry atmosphere, and we will be seeing a lot more snow actually, now that I mention it, and it'll be pushing towards us around right after Thanksgiving is going to be my prediction, and don't just follow my expectations for that. I know Ryan Hall, y'all, the National Weather Service, and 1011 Weather all agree with me there. Go ahead and check out the graphs later on, and we will keep you posted. So I think that covers your forecast for now. And if there's any more weather updates, I will be sure to make a video on it. Thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!